hit start. It's rolling red. Great. So today is, what is today? Today is whatever date it says there, 6th December 2020, right? 6, oh come on now. Alright, it's Sunday 6th December 2020, that time of day. Alright, got that? Alright, so got my backup camera, I got this camera here. Put this in your pocket. Alright, so put this over here. Okay, so alright, here's this humongous box that I got from wherever. I'm just going to unbox it like I like doing. Good, I can see myself in the mirror, I can see that there. So here's another, it's pretty well packed. Yeah, it's an oversized box for what it is. It's just a 5100. Okay, so, alright, so, and here we go. So, there's that, and okay. Some strong tape here. There we go. Person I know that really likes these. They want the address, so I don't worry about this no more. Okay, so you see that there? Let's see, put the scissors up over here. So we got, oh crap, just a few of these. Right, well, yeah, he did find the power. God, another person that used a zip tie. Who in the hell uses a zip tie to put the thing around the cord? I mean, people, you don't need a zip tie, right? Well, this is pretty well packed for what it is. Got everything in here. A few pieces of that, a few pieces. Come on now. Get down there. I'm trying to figure it out without having all this stuff blow all over. So, well, good packing job, but I guess. Let's see here. And we just, oh man. Well, let's go through it. Okay, good. So, and we've got saran wrap on this stuff. Alright. Yep. Well, just having too much fun here. Come on now. Trying to keep this stuff. And then saran wrap. Well, that's good and bad, I guess. Here's that, here's this, here's that, here's that, here's that. Put all this stuff back in here. Great, so, well, see if we can get the saran wrap off of this thing. Now, I just went and reviewed the thing where I bought this from, and I got this for a pretty good price, I think. It does have a, oh, well, I didn't know it was totally broke. I thought it was just broke on one side. Well, okay. Well, that's the only surprise there. Okay. Well, aside from that, it's supposed to have this customary issues with the sliders and the switches being dirty and such. But, okay. So just, why do people break these hinges off? I'll never understand. Because it doesn't, when the tape, alright, so there's that. Let me get a tape. Oops. It's my infamous test tape. Okay, so let me get a power cord. This is, the kaboom is on, so I know I've got power, right? And then I'll just, okay, so there we go. There's that. Turn it on. Alright, so radio. There's nothing wrong with the radio. Let's see here. Let's try the tape. Okay, so we don't have to hit a jack. We just need to put the tape. Well, here, let's turn the tape off. Hit play. Let's stop. That's play. Okay, so play is rolling along. It's got a good torque. Okay, here's fast forward. It's got real good torque. Rewind's got real good torque. Okay, so we'll play the tape. It said it was muffled, right? So I need to play it like that. Yes. There we go. Hit that. Hit play. It's on. I can fix that, I hope. Alright, well, okay. Oh, I do have another tape here. Got a Genesis tape, so let's just throw that out. Throw this in. That's the normal tape and chrome. There's chrome. Normal, chrome. Normal, chrome. And I know you can't see it, but the tape counter is working. Alright, so probably just has a bad ground or whatever. There's the eject button and the door. Well, let's see here. The door. There's supposed to be a hinge on this thing, but it probably broke. Okay, this has got the hinge to it. I mean, it's got the the little nub to stick in there, but this probably broke off on the inside of the radio. Let's see if we give it a good shake. Nope. Okay. Let's look in the battery compartment. It's okay. Great. So it's there. All right. Well. Another project radio, and that's all I know. Then while I'm here, I can get this one here, the last viewing of this thing. Let's see here. This is a Iowa Iowa Stereo 926. I think it's called TPR, right? Yeah, TPR 926 AU. It looks like that. And let's see here. If you put it to line in, let's see here. Line in, you turn the radio on. That works. And if you take the Genesis tape and you stick it in here, right? That in, hit play. Oh, you got to put it on tape. Is it playing? How do you give it volume? Oh, I didn't. Okay. So yeah, that does work. Okay, the tape runs a bit fast on this one, but that's alright. Let's take eject, throw the tape in. Is that the right way? Yeah. Okay. And this is hit play. Back in. So that works, and of course the radio works. Wait. So that's running on batteries. Looks like that. Okay. And I've got a, let's see here. What was the other thing I had? Got this, got that. Got a 5100 again, needs fixing. And I've also got a, what is this thing here? I can turn it on, but you all know what that is, right? It's got the, yeah, see here. I do the power cord. It's plugged into this thing. Okay, give me the power cord, plug it into this, which is a, oh come on now. I don't want this going here. There we go. Put that in there. And then, how do you turn this thing on? Let's see. Let me zoom this thing in. I'll do the zoom thing. I'm way far away. There we go. It's close up. Okay. This is a Sears. Put on radio.
To the coverage of
Alright, then we take a tape. We got this famous test tape thing here, so we hit eject, put the test tape in, right, hit that, hit play, some volume, where's volume? That's tuning, bass, treble, balance, volume. Here, I can play that again, let's see here, rewind. Anyway, I'm having too much fun here. Right? Oh, no, wait. Hit stop. Where's stop on this thing? Stop. Rewind. No, that's pause. That's rewind. Well, can't have everything you'd like to have working all the time. Anyway, it plays. Probably needs a belt for the rewind or fast forward, I don't know. Okay, well, I've had fun. But I do have one of these great big things. Okay. And that goes over there. Because it's heavy, it goes on the bottom shelf. Okay, so there's that. Here's a Kaboom if you've never seen one before. Here's a Sharp. Here's a JBC 656 Mark II. I'll work on that someday. Okay, so I just call it a day. So many things to do. Here, I'm just building that. Let me just turn all this stuff off. Right, so turn this off. Good day. Bye bye. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.